Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about the 8-beat time cycle in tabla rhythm, and we call it Keherwa. So it goes like this: dha ge na ti na ka di na, dha ge na ti na ka di na. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the first half of this groove is dha ge na ti, dha ge na ti. Let me recite that again. Dha ge na ti. This is like 1 2 3 4. Now the second half is na ka di na, na ka di na, which is 5 6 7 8. 5 6 7 8. Let's stitch it together. Dha ge na ti na ka di na, dha ge na ti na ka di na. So if I recite 1 2 3 4, that is equivalent to dha ge na ti, and then na ka di na, which is equivalent to 5 6 7 8. You have noticed that I am using a different type of clap and wave. So let me explain that. For number one, for the first beat, I bring my palm, like left palm up, and then I clap down with my right hand. So 1. Then for the next beat, my pinky, the tip of the pinky touches the palm. So it lands here. So 1 2. Then I do the same with my ring finger. 3. And then it goes the next one, the middle finger. 6. Clap 2 3 4, or 1 2 3 4. You can also think like clap, pinky, ring, middle is equivalent to 1 2 3 4. Now the next 4 is wave. I wave my hand on the right side, my right hand, wave. Then with my thumb, I touch the tip of my ring fingers. So 5 6 7 8, or wave, pinky, ring, middle. Let me combine this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Dha ge na ti na ka di na. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Dha ge na ti na ka di na.